Hello friends, this video is brought to you by real estate agency named Property Discuss, which is based out of Pune, India. We have registration with Real Estate Regulatory Authority of Maharashtra and Haryana. We are a collector office licensed property dealer. We also have RICS accreditation in real estate and urban infrastructure. Check video description for complete details about us. For most people, buying a home is more than just a dream. An individual spends a significant chunk of their life working towards purchasing a home. The home buying process, however, can be trickier in reality, especially if one is a first-time home buyer. In this video, we will be discussing on the legal documents that must be verified by a buyer before signing a property agreement. Before we start, here is our disclaimer. We are not a legal expert in property matters, and the information in this video is purely based on our team's personal and professional experience. You can have a different perspective. Okay, without any further delay, let us start. This video is specific to the case where customer buys a new residential property from the developer. Real estate value stands good only when the title is good. Therefore, verification of legal documents of a property is the most important activity that every buyer must exercise when they are buying a property. It can be sometimes an exhaustive exercise, but that is how you will safeguard your hard-earned money. First step, check RERA filing and registration certificate. RERA stands for Real Estate Regulatory Authority. It is mandatory for every developer to get a project registered with RERA. To register with RERA, developer has to submit all legal documents of a project. The authority checks for all the compliances and thereafter issues a project registration certificate. Real estate is a state subject, so every state has a separate RERA. You need to visit the respective state RERA website and check the details submitted by the developer for a project in which you want to buy a property. Some of the key informations to check on RERA website are: ownership of the project land, proposed date of project completion, litigation in the project, number of sanctioned building in the layout, number of proposed and sanctioned units and parking spaces. You can also check the size of the units proposed versus that mentioned in sales brochure. View and download project legal documents. Check for complaints if any. With this exercise, you will get most of your queries answered. If the developer is not a listed firm, then you should also verify other documents as detailed in the coming part of this video. Second document to check is the Commencement Certificate. Commencement Certificate is issued by the local authorities permitting the builder to start the construction. Commencement Certificate ensures that the property has all required clearances by government authorities. The absence of Commencement Certificate is indicative of illegal property or a disputed land. It is also available for view and download from RERA website. Third document is approved project plans. Plans are sanctioned by the development authorities. Without the approved building plans, the construction will be deemed illegal. Do check these plans thoroughly, as there could be variations between what salespeople says visa-wise approved by the authority. Also deeply check in the plan where the facilities have been placed. For example, you may not be happy to buy a flat that is facing sewage treatment plant or a power transmission station. Fourth document is Encumbrance Certificate. Generally, developer avails construction loan from financial institutions to start the project. To sell units in the project, developer need NOC from these financial institutions. This NOC then become part of the agreement. An encumbrance certificate is required to prove that the property does not have any pending legal dues or mortgages. This is one of the key document bank ask before they grant you a loan. Fifth document is the draft copy of the agreement to sale. This document lists all kind of information about the property, like the terms and conditions, the possession date, the payment plan, the specifications, the details about the common areas and facilities. Do read each word, sentence, paragraph carefully and must ask for clarifications if any. This is the most important document as it gives you title and rights in the property. Please note, this should be same as what's submitted to RERA. Sixth important document is allotment or possession letter. An allotment letter is a document issued by the developer stating the description of the property, parking details, and the amount paid by the buyer to the developer. Do keep in mind that an allotment letter is not the same as an agreement of sale. An allotment letter is issued on the letterhead of the developer while a sale agreement is documented on a stamp paper. Moreover, an allotment letter is issued to the first owner, and other owners can ask for the copy of the original letter from the seller. Seventh document is a completion or occupancy certificate. An occupancy certificate is issued by the local authority to the developer to establish the building is finally ready to be occupied and the construction has been done according to a sanctioned plan. Once this certificate is issued, from that day onwards local authorities start charging property tax. These are some of the key documents every buyer must verify when purchasing a property from a developer. Before ending this video, we are again mentioning property is as good as its legal title. We, at Property Discuss, believe in transparent and value deals for our customers. We work with a personalized approach and have a reputation of great client experience. We are proud of having good references and repeat business from our existing customers. If you are looking to buy a property in Pune, do connect with us. Our mobile number is 9540907979. I repeat, our mobile number is 9540907979. And email ID is pune@propertydiscuss.com. We look forward to hear from you.